Yeah, it's a really nice fire. Oh my gosh! You guys scared me half to death. Well, guys, since you guys are here, we're gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna see if we can get 2,000 likes, guys. Guys, like it up and subscribe to get 2,000, guys. That's like almost a lot. And one of my videos, hopefully, I'm gonna get 100,000, guys. 100,000 is a lot, or 1,100. That's a lot too. Back to Addie and Kaysen's adventures. So today, I have my Kaysen's brother here, and we're gonna be roasting marshmallows and more things, guys. One day, I was with Grammy and Pampy, and they took me to Lake Rudolph and we were marshmallows, and I licked it, and I got a lip hurt. Guys, I really hurt my lip really bad. It like stinged and it was really hot. So I'm gonna try to do it better this time. Grammy, you wanna try and help me kind of? Because I did not want to burn my lip like I did last time. Okay, so Grammy is really close to fire.
We don't want them to get nice
Kaysen,
and golden.
Nice
and they get melty on the inside. You wanna help? Come here, Papa. Don't get it right in the flame because then it catches fire. We don't want that, do we?
It gets bigger and bigger when it catches fire. I learned that at school, guys. Keep that in mind. So don't get it into the flames. Just get it like right here, like medium. Okay, mine's pretty high, bet. Oh! That is hot. I don't want to get too hot, so I'm gonna start my marshmallowing. I took it off here. So now I'm probably gonna need a bottom. Okay, so then we have to have the chocolate. Dun dun dun. No, guys, I love chocolate. Chocolate goes right here. And now for the best part, we have to have, this is gonna be the top. Oh, yeah, guys. What? I made my own s'more. I'm gonna eat it like this. Guys, this is so good.
Doing such a good job, Papa.
Okay, I think it's pretty cool now. I think this side is really hot. I think I got more on this side,
Is it melty?
That's okay.
You want it good and squishy so you can make a good s'more.
That is good.
Kaysen,
Oh,
here's you a s'more.
guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.